This is the fastest way to make money online. No job? No problem. No experience? Still not a problem. You just need to understand one thing. The rules have changed. In 2025, making money online doesn't have to mean sleepless nights, risky investments, or building a massive brand. Because right now, there's a method that lets you work smarter, not harder. And it's changing lives. Forget what the internet gurus told you. It's not about hustle 24/7. It's about picking the right system. And the truth is, most people fail not because they're lazy, but because they picked the wrong vehicle. Let me be clear. There's no such thing as magic money. But there is such a thing as faster money, easier money. The kind of income that comes from using leverage, not labor. And that's what you're about to see. I've made millions from almost every business model out there. Dropshipping, SMMA, affiliate marketing, software, physical products. I've done it all. And I've learned something important. Some models demand constant time, effort, risk. Others? They're simple, scalable, and peaceful. And one model beats them all. It's called Digital Products 2.0, and it's exactly what you should be doing this year. Digital Products 2.0 means using AI and modern platforms to create online courses, templates, tools, anything people want to learn or use, and selling them 24/7 without showing your face or building a brand. Sounds too good to be true? Let me break it down. In the past, digital products were hard. You needed to be an expert, write complicated scripts, build custom websites, record perfect lessons. It took months. But today, AI does 90% of the work. You give it a topic, it does the research, writes the lessons, and even structures the full product. You just speak over the script. You don't even have to be on camera. You just talk, that's it. Then you upload it to a platform like WAP. Think of WAP like the Shopify of courses. It hosts your product and lists it in their built-in marketplace. Which means people can actually find your product without running ads or building a following. That's what makes this model so powerful. Let's say you spend one weekend setting it up. You use AI to build your course. You record it on Loom. You host it on WAP. And then, you're done. That product can now make you $10, $100, or $1,000 a day without any more effort. It works while you sleep, while you travel, even while you work your 9-5. Compare that to dropshipping. You need to test products, run ads, deal with suppliers, handle refunds, manage fulfillment. Every sale adds more work. Or SMMA. You need to do outreach, sales calls, deliver services, handle clients, build a team. It's a great model, but it's not passive. And software? It can take $250,000 to build. It's high risk, high stress, high failure rate. Affiliate marketing? Sure, it's low cost, but you need to build an audience first, which takes months, sometimes years. So what's left? Digital Products 2.0. Low cost, low stress, high income potential. You don't need a following. You don't need to be an expert. You don't even need a camera. Here's what you need. AI tools like ChatGPT or Synthesis AI. Loom, free screen recording. WAP, a free platform to host your product. $100, $200 to invest in basic branding and setup. That's it. In a few days, you can be live, selling your own digital product, solving a real problem, and earning money. What kind of product should you sell? Pick a skill people are willing to pay for. It could be how to lose weight, how to get more clients, how to edit videos, how to build resumes, how to manage anxiety. AI helps you structure it. You just speak the lessons. Remember, you don't need to be ahead of the whole world. You just need to be one step ahead of your customer. If you've done it or studied it, you can teach it. And people will pay for it because they want results. You might think this is too saturated. But the truth is, digital products are still in their early days. It's like getting into e-commerce 10 years ago. There's still massive room for growth. And the best time to get in? Before everyone else figures it out. Digital Products 2.0 are projected to become $1 trillion industry by 2030. But by then, the opportunity will be crowded. Right now, it's wide open. So the choice is yours. Do you want to keep watching others grow while you wonder what could have been? Or do you want to take action and build a simple online business? One that works for you instead of you working for it. This is your chance to make $100 a day online, or much more, without a job, without risk, and without years of trial and error. If you're still watching, that means you're serious. So here's what to do next. Subscribe to this channel right now, like this video. Then check out the next one. where I'll walk you through how to build your first digital product step by step. Let's build your online income, starting today.